teammates ko kanina, lahat naman kami nagmagambag, but then I think it wasn't really, our efforts weren't enough. So we'll check I think the stats and yung film pa para alam namin kung saan kami mas mag-improve pa coming next game, I think next week. But then, yun nga, well, Ateneo played well too, so gotta credit them by how they played them.
For third straight loss, pero bago yun, you had many chances to either win or tie the game. May frustrations na ba sa team?
For us, wala eh. I mean, sa amin yung mga gantong experience talagang learning pa rin talaga. I mean, hindi naman kami kailan ba kami nakapag-experience ng ganitong mga sitwasyon, Lasal, itong Ateneo, and you know, nakikita ko naman yung team namin na talagang nag-e-effort and tinitignan nila kung ano yung pwede nilang matutunan each game, lalo na pag nag-uusap-usap kami. And yun lang, no? I mean, wala, talo na kami, so next day lang kami lagi, next day.
On a lighter note, fourth, of course, home game to, maraming nag-come out sa UST community. Ano na lang yung masasabi sa nagiging support nila so far?
I mean, grabe, wala akong masabi sa UST crowd, no? Grabe yung ramdam namin yung effort nila sa pag-cheer, talagang naririnig namin sila, ramdam namin sila. But then, yun lang, hindi lang namin nasuklian ng panalo yung suporta nila sa amin. But then, hopefully sa mga upcoming games namin, masuklian namin yung effort na binibigay din nila sa amin.
Or siguro yung sabi yung mga bench ng mga coaches sa laban after the game?
After the game, I mean, loss is a loss. Tapos sabi lang na watch the film, na kung ano yung pwedeng natutunan, kunin namin yun. Then, focus na kami sa next game. Kasi hindi kami pwede mag-dwell sa talo na to. I mean, kailangan namin prepare for our next game.
For second straight loss na may crucial error at the late stage of the game. Siguro heading into the next few matches, especially na 3-game losing streak kayo, ano lang siguro magiging mindset ng team heading into those crucial stretch ng season?
I mean, you know, yung learnings na gano'n talagang makukuha namin yung pag na-experience namin yung bagay na yun. And yun nga, you said it's 2 straight games, but then wala pa rin kami na nagawa on that end of the floor. But then, ayun, natututo pa rin kasi kami. Yung team naman namin, hindi naman yan yung parang like sabihin natin buo na agad yung kasi kailan lang ba kami nagsama. Then again, it's not an excuse, but then yun nga, kailangan na namin yung next 4 games namin, and sana yung mga end game situations for past 2 games, sana mas may ma-learn kami doon and madala namin sa upcoming games namin.